But this robot does even more than that. The iRobot Genius Home Intelligent Platform raises the bar and powers your robot to clean the way you want it to without any effort from you. Based on your habits, home, and even the seasons, it combines insight and technology to create a cleaning experience tailored to your needs and your preferences while giving you control right through the app. These custom recommendations from your robot will alert you when the pollen count is high in your area or when it's pet shedding season, and show you suggested, personalized cleaning programs for you. And with iRobot Genius, you could even choose to set your robot to start cleaning when you leave and stop cleaning when you come home, so you'll only notice the clean floors and never the actual cleaning. Roomba J7 Plus has one mission, and that's to get the job done right so you can focus on everything else in your life. It uses all of its improved intelligence to do just that. So, add one to your cart today so I can get mine off my kitchen island and back to work in my home. And no, I didn't tidy up beforehand. Roomba's got my back.